What's the meaning of catty-corner, Ed? Catty-corner, Ed. Catty-corner, Ed.
Catty-corner, Ed. Catty-corner, Ed. Catty-cornered or kitty-cornered is an adjective that describes something that is positioned diagonally across from something else, rather than directly adjacent to it. For example, a building might be catty-cornered to a park, or a chair might be placed catty-cornered in a room. This positioning creates a sense of visual interest and can be used to make the most of available space. It's a popular technique in interior design, especially in small rooms where maximizing space is key.